Hello, my name is Anand Kishore Dhumne and I head the IT for Manipal Group of Hospitals, which is the third largest healthcare group in India, and we have a presence in Malaysia. Also, the main challenge here for us was how do we track these porters across the 14 floors of our flagship hospital in Bangalore with this company called IceGen. They sent their team to our hospital and they did the entire mapping of all the floors. There are 14 floors and 2 wings. So they integrated this whole design of the floor with their software. Although the project was small in terms of volume, but the impact of this implementation is quite large. So what we did is that every porter in Manipal was assigned RFID tag, and the supervisor who sits in the control room now is able to track, monitor, assign the request to these porters directly through the computer. Earlier, he used to use a walkie-talkie and call each porter separately to place the request. Now, this whole thing has been automated, and we are able to bring the efficiency improvements almost by 60 to 70%. So this was done completely manual, and therefore the time taken to actually assign the request from the time nurse makes a call to the supervisor was almost 30 to 40 minutes. Now, post implementation of this RFID porter tracking solution, that time has come down from 40 minutes to say 5 minutes. Because the system is automatically assigning the nearest porter to that particular floor from where the request has come in. So this entire improvement in terms of the turnaround time from 40 minutes has now become 5 minutes. Now what is happening that the RFID tags which are provided to us, they are very good tags, and it has got LCD display as well as it has 2 buttons where the porter can actually press a button and acknowledge the request. The system will come to know that the request has been assigned, it has been acknowledged. As soon as the task is over, the porter can inform the system by pressing a button again and saying that the task has been accomplished. And therefore now this porter now becomes free for assigning the next request. So this entire 7 to 8 steps which we used to do manually, now they are automated using the IceGen's RFID based porter tracking system. This is really a wonderful solution, and I personally had 3 to 4 reviews with the users who are using this. The main key stakeholders here are the nurses, the porters, and the porter supervisor. They are all extremely happy with this solution because a lot of manual activities we were able to eliminate using this solution. And certainly the porter's efficiency has gone up. There is also potential to bring the number of porters down from whatever number we have today. Till that time, we will be monitoring all the dashboards. By the way, system provides wonderful dashboards also, wherein you are able to see the porter efficiency, the porter load, the turnaround time for the nurses, the other dashboard reports for management, where they are able to monitor the entire porter management stuff, and the data which comes from the dashboard is really not just data, it's actionable information. So for the operations head, that information becomes very useful for planning this entire resources on the floor. That now people are asking for more and more automation. Now there is a demand for from the nursing side saying that we also need to track and monitor our wheelchairs in the hospital, the patient trolleys in the hospital, the portable ECG machines there. So we are now extending this solution, and we see there is a huge potential of RFID into healthcare industry, and we will definitely extend this solution to the assets part as well. And we have asked IceGen to now implement this solution for all the hospitals of Manipal Group, and not just for the porters management. This will eventually be extended to all the health check patients, all the OPD patients and all the IPD patients, and the assets management and monitoring. I would like to take this opportunity and extend thanks and my appreciation to the entire IceGen team on this RFID solution and its benefits to our organization. Thank you so much.